Is this the ultimate combo for architects? Today I'm testing something that really caught my attention, Nano Banana on Rendair AI. A workflow that promises to take your architectural visuals to a completely new level. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? So in today's video I'm gonna put it to the test with 5 real projects. Exterior rendering, video creation, axonometric section visual, interior visuals, and the 3D floor plan. I will walk you through the process, share the results, and I will tell you where this combo shines and where it might struggle a little bit. And here is the best part, if you decide to try it for yourself, I've got a special 10% discount code for you. Just use Adrian10 when signing up on Rendair's AI website. So, let's get started. So let's start with the test 1, exteriors, the bread and butter of architectural visualization. I've got 3 images from the SketchUp model of a modern house with minimalist design. So let's start by signing up to the Rendair's AI website, and instead of chat feature, we'll start with the 3D base to render. As you can see, we have plenty of styles to choose from, and for now I would like to proceed with realistic. I'm uploading our image, putting the prompt in, and I would like to keep the image strength at 90% because I worked out that this works the best for my 3D models. With the creativity, we can go with 30%. I would like to generate 4 images, and let's see what results we can get. Oh wow, that looks incredible! I wasn't expecting that level of material accuracy. I love how it handled the scale and proportion. The soft shadows add so much depth. It's a beautiful balance. It honestly looks like something rendered with V-Ray or Lumion in minutes. The balustrade on the first floor terrace was done really nicely, and I like the reflections in the glass. Water in the swimming pool looks realistic. Just look at the comparison between the existing and proposed. Right, now it's time for the second image, and this is from the same 3D model. So what I will do, I'm keeping the same settings and the same prompt. Wow. The material consistency between the images is impressive. And that was done as the first try, no fine-tuning. I'm amazed. I honestly didn't expect it to nail the atmosphere that well. This looks like ready for the portfolio page. And it's surprisingly polished, no rough edges, no distorted shapes anywhere. That looks just amazing. Check the comparison between the existing and proposed. Right, let's do our third image from that SketchUp model. Nice, that's way beyond I thought it could do. It even got the textures on the ground right. That's wild. And the way it handled the reflections, that's just a next level. This could easily pass as a client-ready visual. The lighting feels alive and there is the real atmosphere here. That looks fantastic. Now, existing versus proposed. Rendair AI handled the exterior scenes impressively. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for quick architectural visualizations. Each render captured the atmosphere and material quality without any manual tweaking. Now this is where it gets exciting. Test number 2, video generation. Rendair AI can automatically create smooth cinematic walkthroughs straight from your model. No manual setup, no rendering software. Just upload your image, choose the motion preset, and let it generate. So for that we are going to the video section, uploading our image, and as you can see you can choose from plenty of the motion presets. So for my first image I would like to choose cinematic drone and orbiting scenery. However, I will add to that prompt that I would like it to go around the building. And let's see the video we can get. Wow, that's perfect. I know it's just a short animation, but that looks smoother than most animation I've rendered myself. That's such a satisfying result. Now for the second video, I would like it to do the transition between the first and the second exterior images we generated. So let's upload our images, put the prompt in, and let's see the results. Right, that's not bad. To be honest, I was expecting something more like going from one image to another, like smoothly transitioning between the scenes. But that feels intentional and artistic, and it's not really that bad. The transitions in this video are clean and there is no flickering between the scenes, so I'm happy with that. Before we move on, if you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as it really helps the channel to grow. Now it's time for the third video. We are uploading our image, and for the motion preset, I would like to choose the zoom in and close up. But I would like to add my prompt into that so it can go into the scene and then turn left towards the interior. Okay, that looks good. I have nothing to add here. Everything looks as I was expecting that. Let's do our fourth video. I'm uploading the image, and for that one, I would like to choose the orbiting scenery, and I would like it to go left and around the building. Wow, very good. That's impressive. Each of the videos took less than a minute to process, and the movement feels genuinely fluid. You can control the pacing, transitions, and even the depth of field without touching a single rendering setting. It produces surprisingly refined aesthetic, sharp details, and balanced light transitions. But most importantly, there is no flickering between the frames, which is quite rare for a quick AI-generated sequence. This feature alone could be a massive time saver for architects creating concept walkthroughs for clients. Imagine generating 4 different presentation videos in 15 minutes, something that usually takes days with rendering software. And now let's see all the videos being put together. Oh, and there is one more thing. If you want to recreate these exact visuals, I left all my prompts in the pinned comment down below. And also a quick tip before we carry on with the third test. So a good prompt usually includes the main goal and what you want to create, the style and aesthetic, the light and mood, and what would you like to exclude if there is something specific that you don't want. The more specific your vision, the more accurately AI delivers. Now for the test number 3, I wanted to see how well it handles axonometric visual. These are essential for presentations, clean, diagrammatic, but still visually engaging. So I used axonometric view with a section through the residential building. I exported it with no color or texture and asked Rendair AI to generate a clean axonometric render. So for this one we will go to the chat feature, which basically works like ChatGPT but for architects and interior designers. And now instead of the Flux or GPT image models, we'll choose Nano Banana. I'm uploading our image, putting the prompt in, and let's see the results. That's fantastic! Crisp edges, consistent perspective, and no strange distortions. You can instantly read the composition, and every level and volume is clearly defined. It feels like something you would expect from the high-end competition board, ready to drop into a layout. Rendair AI handled the lines and the roof planes quite elegantly. But there is something else I would like it to upgrade. I would like the grey color on the roofs of this building. And also there is a small gap with the sky visible. I would like that to be covered. Right? This is very good results, and I'm happy to keep that as our final image. But as I mentioned before, that was meant to be axonometry with a section through the building. So the real magic happens when you combine AI rendering with your Photoshop skills. So suddenly you can bring your axonometry with section to life, add depth and highlight details. You can create visuals that feel both precise and captivating. The possibilities are endless, and this is a game changer for presenting your design concepts. If you work in concept presentations, this feature might save you hours spent in Photoshop or Illustrator polishing your diagrams. So now let's compare the before and after. Now let's go inside. Test number 4, interior rendering. Interiors are usually where AI tools struggle the most. Complex lighting, reflections, and materials can easily fall apart. But here is where Rendair AI starts to shine. Let's start with a 3D image of the kitchen from the SketchUp model. As usual, we are uploading our image, putting the prompt in, you know the drill. I'm happy to keep the image strength at 90% with creativity at 30%, and let's see the results. Wait, that's AI? That looks completely real. I'm honestly blown away by this one. This is the kind of render I would spend hours manually. And the interior lighting is spot on, exactly how the daylight behaves. This could easily replace the render done in Blender or Lumion. Now let's see the comparison between the existing and proposed. For the second image, let's try the bedroom view. I'm putting the new prompt in and keeping the settings. Wow, I would be proud to present this to any client. That realism took me by surprise. I didn't expect this level. I can't believe this was generated in under a minute. And the color palette feels carefully chosen, almost designer curated. That's amazing. Let's see the comparison between the SketchUp model and the visual. Our third interior image will be the living room. I'm happy to keep all the settings I want to generate for images. Let's put the new prompt in and let's see the results. That's way beyond what I thought it could do. It looks cinematic, almost too real. How did it manage to keep that sofa lighting without flattening details? This feels more refined than any AI tools I've ever tried. It's genuinely satisfying to see how far AI rendering has come. That's stunning. Now let's compare the before and after. Rendair AI instantly interpreted the mood and materials, producing images that look both realistic and designed. The way it understands the reflections on the glass or subtle indirect light, it's seriously impressive. And even rough textures have believable details. Nothing feels plastic or overprocessed. For architects, this could be an incredible shortcut for clients' presentations. You can visualize interior options in minutes and even tweak the prompt live on the meeting. For the final test, we have the 3D floor plan taken from SketchUp. But I've always had the impression that clients want to see something more than a rough SketchUp model. So I asked Rendair AI with Nano Banana to generate a 3D floor plan visualization. So for this one, we are going back to the chat feature. I'm choosing Nano Banana model, uploading our image, putting the prompt, and let's see the results. Okay, it's not bad. Rendair AI added texture depth, soft shadows, and even gentle reflections. Enough to give a believable sense of space. Furniture proportions look consistent, and the perspective seems natural. So just in a few minutes you can create something that looks ready for clients' presentations or the brochure. But it's not perfect. You can see a few mistakes, like for example a plant in the bedroom ensuite. But as a space, it doesn't feel that bad. The bedroom seems okay, the bed position and the texture on the sofa and everything, that's alright. I like how the floor and the walls panelings were done. Overall, it's quite good. So let's see the comparison between the SketchUp model and the Rendair AI visual. For housing development or design competitions, this could be a huge time saver. Instead of hand rendering every space, let AI do that, so we can focus on the design quality. After testing Nano Banana with Rendair AI across 5 categories, here is what I have learned. This combo is powerful. It's fast and consistently produces presentation-ready visuals. So whether you're working on the early design concepts, preparing a client pitch, or building your portfolio, this workflow can dramatically reduce the time you spend on rendering. Sure, it's not flawless. Sometimes reflections or textures need a few reruns. But overall, Rendair AI is one of the most capable AI visualization setups I've ever tested. And remember, if you would like to try it yourself, you can get a 10% off with my code Adrian10. Just enter it at the checkout of Rendair AI website and the discount will be automatically applied. If you enjoyed this deep test, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me in the comment what would you like me to test next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.